Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have ridden the first 1000 kilometers with my scooter and it is time for the first oil change. To drain the old oil, this drain plug must be removed. For a smooth flow, I always let the scooter reach operating temperature first and let the engine idle for about 5 minutes. Next, I put the scooter on the side stand, place a piece of cardboard on the ground and put on gloves. Now we can begin. Let's go! To unscrew the drain plug, you need a 12mm socket. Let the oil drain into a container. Clean the drain plug and install a new sealing ring. Carefully tighten the drain plug without applying too much force. To top up the new oil, you must remove the dipstick. Clean the area around the dipstick with a cloth so that no dirt can get into the engine. Check that the scooter is on the center stand before checking the oil level on a level surface. This is the new oil that corresponds to Honda specifications. Slowly fill the engine oil. You must not go past the max level on the left line. First I fill the oil to about the middle and then I let the engine idle for another 5 minutes. Then let the engine rest for 2 minutes so the oil can settle. The level is now in the middle, but I add a little bit extra. One more check. Now it is just slightly below the maximum level. Great! The dipstick can go back into the engine and the oil change is finished. Thanks for watching and see you next time.